Looking for a way to bring that tropical glow to your hair? OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Hair Serum promises just that. With every use, this lightweight formula strengthens, repairs, and hydrates your hair, leaving it visibly healthier and more radiant. Whether your hair is dry, brittle, or prone to breakage, this serum works to restore its natural shine and softness without weighing it down. I started using this serum a few weeks ago, and the difference is clear. My hair feels smoother and looks shinier, especially at the ends where damage usually shows first. The secret? A unique blend of coconut oil, coconut milk, and whipped egg white protein. These ingredients work together to nourish deeply, strengthen strands, and tame frizz. Plus, the scent, a warm mix of tangerine, vanilla, and essence of tiare, makes every application feel like a mini escape to the tropics. It's gentle enough for all hair types, and I love how it doesn't leave my hair greasy, just soft and manageable. If you want to boost your hair care routine, try pairing this serum with OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. Applying a small amount to damp, towel-dried hair, especially focusing on the ends, helps seal in moisture and protect against breakage. It's simple, effective, and a great way to keep your hair looking its best. If that's you, ready for healthier, shinier hair, this serum is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and feel the difference a nourishing, natural-inspired treatment can make.